Rajasthan with my family for a short 10-day vacation, and I've done a little bit of shopping, so I thought it would be a good time to do a haul post and just show you what all I bought. This time before leaving on vacation, I decided that I would not shop at all on this holiday because I shopped a lot last time. So that's the reason that I've ended up with a rather small amount of things, but I'm really happy with what I bought, so let me just show you. Everything that I bought just falls into two categories. There's silver jewelry and leather goods. So first off, I bought 2 pairs of silver stud earrings. I love these kind of stud earrings for everyday wear. I'm wearing the pair that I bought the last time I was in Jaipur, and I wear it all the time. If they ever change my earrings, I'm just very happy with them. They look nice, they are small, unassuming and really pretty. This one is moonstone, and this I'm not sure what this stone is called. Is this, I think it's turquoise, I don't know, it's just a very beautiful sky blue color. And so these are the 2 pairs of earrings. Then I bought 2 silver necklaces, and these are the highlights of my shopping. I just really love them. One of them is this. It's got like an ethnic design, and below that is like a disc or coin shaped thing, and it's somewhat like a choker. It runs pretty close to the neck. You can make it longer as well or shorter. I think Forever 21 did a style similar to this a few months ago, and I loved how it looked, but it's basically junk jewelry and it gets spoiled very fast. But this is real silver, and if it goes black, if it tarnishes a little, you can just clean it in like baking soda and it'll be as good as new. Second necklace is my absolute favorite. It's this beautiful silver statement neck piece. I love how it falls. It's got like this beautiful cascading effect. Although the design is ethnic, I think it would look great on western outfits too, as I don't wear ethnic stuff that much. I think it looks lovely on this simple bhane top, which is just like it's got a U neckline. This necklace just completes the look, and I absolutely love it. Love it. I think I will be wearing this a lot when I go home. Lastly, there are 3 like bangle bracelet sort of things. I'm actually cheating by putting this in the haul because these are not mine, these are my mother's. But if they're my mother's, means I can borrow them at any time. You just twist them to open like this. They open up and they look really nice. They're in 3 separate designs. Yeah, I like them. I think I'll be borrowing them soon. That's all the jewelry that I bought this time. Last time I bought 2 really beautiful pair of jhumkas, which are like the traditional Rajasthani bell earrings, and I wore them in an outfit post too. I've been searching for jhumkas for years, beautiful silver jhumkas, and I got them. So I didn't want to buy more jhumkas this time, but I'm just saying, I mean, Jaipur is a beautiful place for ethnic silver jewelry. Now onto the leather goods. I bought 1 pair of these jutis, very simple camel leather jutis. They're mostly brown, but they have like a little bit of black in them too, and they're just flat and very comfortable. Last time also I bought 2 pairs of jutis, and to be honest, they looked prettier than this, but they were very hard inside and they gave my feet a lot of blisters. So even though they were pretty, I decided I wouldn't buy more of those this time, but I was convinced into buying this. This is different from those pairs. It's just very soft, and it's got some padding on the insole area too, so hopefully they will not hurt. And again, this is like a simple ethnic style, but I wear it with western, I wear it on jeans, I even wear it on casual dresses. It goes very well, and I like how it looks. Now the last item that I bought is this bag. It's just sort of a simple saddle bag with a long strap that's meant to be worn crossbody, and you can adjust the length of the strap a little. And the bag also, it needs to be buckled to shut. I'm just a little lazy right now. And inside it's got 1 big main pocket and 1 zipper at the back and 1 little button pocket in the front. I love leather bags, and if you're used to having like good quality leather bags with very soft leather, this is nothing like that. It's made of camel leather, and it's got this very rough, unfinished look. It's quite hard to touch, quite firm, but it has its own kind of beauty. The grain looks really nice. your phone, purse, essential makeup items, all of the little junk that fits in any other bag will fit in this. It's quite roomy. It's kind of flat right now, but it will fit a lot of things, I'm sure of that. And very soon I will be filling this up full of my random junk. So that's all for this little haul. I hope you enjoyed it. It's getting really muggy outside, so I want to step back into my room. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.